Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. By tapping on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. You can share QR code to instantly to your hotspot. To instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can set it device identification, you can hide its SSID, you can set it to turn off automatically when nobody is connected, you can use it as USB tethering, you can use it as Bluetooth tethering, you can share it via Ethernet cable. You can also manage connected devices, you can set up a limit of connections, you can enable block list and add here unwanted devices. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.